does is it makes fresh air like we're breathing right now, so we can breathe God's places.
So, hello, my name is Sebastian. I'm with the Helena Fire Department. I'm here today just to teach the kids some knowledge as to what I do and what I look like when I have all my gear on.
We put it through a filtering process, but it's still dirty, right? We put it drinking, all the big garbage is gone, but it's still dirty. Yeah, it's still dirty.
Do you think anybody here would want to be a police teacher?
Hi, I'm Officer Jovion with the St. Louis Police Department. I'm here today at their career day, explaining to the kids what it is to be a police officer, especially here in the city of St. Helena.
There we go. Beautiful.